A project of this nature, it would feel like a pretty hollow project if it didn't have young people at its core. So the idea behind Young Company was to bring together a group of people aged 18 to 25 from across Wales, a real representative group, to kind of help shape and influence and deliver the project.
As someone from multiple underrepresented identities, I don't really see myself in media, and so I thought it would be great for me to bring an intersectional lens to the project in a creative but also informative sense.
Nes I gais I gwmni ifanc Galwad oherwydd bod fi wedi clywed am yr ochr storiol iddo fo ac o'n I rili isio y cyfle I ddod I nabod bobl eraill dros Gymru I weithio a chydweithio efo pobl eraill o Gymru I greu rhywbeth creadigol yn y diwedd.
Co-creation and co-design sits at the heart of the relationship that we are creating with every member of Young Company, and that began right at the very beginning where we co-created the process for selecting the 12 young people.
So I applied to GALWAD because I really wanted to get back into the creative sector, especially within Wales. I thought it would be an amazing opportunity to start networking and to kind of help me find my feet with my creative career.
What I'm most excited about is how we can create all our ideas into a tangible thing at the end of the project.
Dwi'n meddwl y prif peth dwi'n edrych ymlaen at, neu yn edrych ymlaen at ar gyfer y prosiect yma, ydy gallu cyfarfod pobl newydd creadigol, nid yn unig o Gogledd Cymru, ond cael cyfle I dod i'n pobl ar draws Cymru I gyd a gweld be di'r safbwyntiau yna a be mae'r pobl creadigol yna yn creu.
I don't have much experience in the kind of Welsh creative arts, so I wanted to use this as kind of a foundation for the future, and it looked like a great project that really involved young people.
I'm hoping to collaborate with the community, exploring their creative potential and helping people heal through their own creativity.
Mae'r cwmni ifanc yn rhan allweddol o'r prosiect gan ei fod yn rhoi lleisiau a deheuadau pobl ifanc wrth wraidd pob dim da ni'n neud.
I've been working in the art department, meaning that I've created and sort of built up a lot of the pieces of the set here. We were allowed to take our own creative lead with stuff, which I wouldn't expect.
It's been eye-opening, working on a film set. Definitely just using your creative output, sort of seeing a creative vision. But yeah, it's good to sort of feel a part of something. And after having many discussions with people from the art department, I can see myself sort of being here in the long-term future, yeah.
I definitely am going to look into more screenwriting and writing for script and plays and stuff like that, which I wouldn't have originally kind of wanted to delve into, but this has definitely given me the confidence to try something new. It's just nice to see that there's people like you in the media and in TV, and it helps, I guess, the younger generation aim high as well.
So I've predominantly been shadowing the Access and Inclusion team and looking at how we can make GALWAD as accessible as possible to as many people as possible. I've learned so much about access and I feel confident advocating for access in the arts now.
I think going into it, all I knew that I really wanted to do is that there was opportunities to work on the production, the film production of GALWAD, and try and do a bit more sound recording, whatever that happened to be. I've been able to sort of learn some really cool new things, which sort of ticked every box that I wanted it to tick, to be honest.
I think the creative freedom has been amazing. Like I've never experienced something where you're given as much free rein. And yeah, it's been and the kind of response from that's been really positive. Like, just go and do what you. There's a lot of trust involved. I think it's just been great.
Mae'r profiad o fod ar set yn 5 diwrnod dwytha di bod yn agoriad llygad go iawn. Dwi'n caru ffilmiau a teledu a mae cael bod yn rhan o greu hwnna a dysgu hefyd sut mae o fod ar set go iawn a ddim just bron creu ffilmiau fy hun. Cael bod yma a gweld sut mae'r cyfarwyddwr neu sut mae'r assistant director neu wedyn sut mae'r actorion yn cydweithio efo gweddill y criw. Mae faint wedi dysgu o cael bod yma a helpu hynna redag mae wedi bod yn anhygoel.
Fi wedi cael y cyfle I cwrdd â siwgymyn o pobl sydd wedi bod mor caredig a sydd wedi bod mor bodlon I dysgu pethau I fi, pethau bydde fi byth wedi dysgu unrhyw le arall, achos ti'n gallu bod yna yn y foment a dysgu mewn amgylchedd proffesiynol.
They've built, genuinely built connections, genuinely met people that they will hopefully continue to build a relationship with after the project. I hope they as a collective will continue to have a relationship after the project as well, and we certainly want to continue supporting them.
Dwi'n meddwl beth sydd yn wahanol ag yn newydd am y broses yma ydi ffordd mae'r gymuned wedi bod yn graidd i bob peth o'r dechrau. I fi mae wedi bod yn braf gweld bod talent a gwir ymdrech greadigol wedi dod at ei gilydd i drio deall beth i blaenau.
It's just made me think that I don't have to go anywhere or leave the country to do things that I want to do. There's a creative, journey for me here.
And this has shown me that there are the opportunities there.
And I will at some point be working back home in Europe as well. Things that I can take from this project and how I'd like to apply those to settings back home where the system does work differently. It's been fantastic.
They want to make the change. I think they all can. I think they all will. And I think wherever they go, they'll go out and do great things.